How are you? Are you ready for a new lesson? Great! So today we are going to learn about pronoun you. So you is an object pronoun which receives the action in the sentence. For example, I miss you. So in this sentence, pronoun you is receiving the action. It is not performing the action. Therefore, it is an object pronoun. So why don't we see some examples and make the concept of pronoun you clear? So Rudy, now we are going to study about pronoun you as an object pronoun.
So confusing.
It's very easy. Let me clear your confusion. So let's take our first example of pronoun you as an object pronoun. She called you. So in this sentence, we are talking about the second person. Therefore, we have used the pronoun you. But the difference is that the second person is receiving the action. So whenever the second person receives any action, we always use the pronoun
You.
correct. And that also in an object form.
Now I got it.
So Rudy, read the second example.
Sarah helped you.
Correct. So again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun you in an object form because the pronoun you is receiving the action. So whenever the second person receives any action, we always use pronoun you in an object form. So Rudy, our last example is, may I help you? So can you identify an object pronoun in this sentence?
I think it must be I and you.
No baby, it's only you because an object pronoun always receives the action in the sentence.
Oh, now I understood.
Very good. So, I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun you. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.